morning. Here we are on the third day of the Cata Cup. It's early in the morning, and today we are expecting a bit more wind. But anyway, I think like with all the whole organization of the Cata Cup, we're going to be enjoying the day with all the team, with the 30 boats that are like part of the Cata Cup.